Welcome to sectional drawing. Sectional drawing is used to see inside objects. In this view, the drawing is cut in half to be able to see on the inside. When there's a lot of complexity in the drawing, as seen on the side view, you can cut it in half to be able to see the full view in sectional format. Here we have section line AA, which is the section shown from the side in the left-hand view. It is also used to see on the inside of assemblies as seen over here, where two parts are connected together, 1 and 2. You got a bolt going through the center there as well. More of that later. Let's look at type of sections that we get in this course. You get a half section where you cut your drawing in half and then show the half on the one side. You also get quarter sections as seen by section line BB. This will ultimately give you a quarter of the answer, and the other side will be the same because there's a center line in the center. You can also have a breakout section as seen here, which is also called a part section. These are all that will be covered in this section. There's much more sections that you can study, but these three is all that we will cover in this section of work. Okay, let's look at exceptions. Do not section the following: bolts, nuts, washers, holes, solid shafts, solid pins, and webs. Here are examples of some of the things that you should not section. There is a construction of a bolt and nut. It's always accompanied by a washer in most cases. In this assembly sectioning drawing, we have the bolt, washer, and nut not sectioned. It's indicated by number 1, 2, and 3. An example of holes that is not being sectioned. When we look at section line AA, showing in that direction the section view, there we have the section view, and the hole there going straight across is not sectioned, it's empty space. Only when you cut through solid material you'll have section lines there. Here's an example of a web that is not sectioned correctly. When it's cut through the center, the web should not be sectioned in this way. This indicates the correct way. The web are left out and everything is solidly sectioned. When the web is cut through the side or transversely, the web will be shown in that format. You can section a web if it's cut from the side. Sectioning line work. The line work required for sectioning must be done in this correct manner: 3 mm apart at 45-degree angles. It is wrong to have interregular spacing. It is wrong to have the lines too close to one another. It is also wrong to cut over the outside lines and have the lines too thick. So follow the 3 mm 45-degree specification. You can judge it with your eye once you've learned how to do it properly. The line work, when two parts are drawn together, like 1 and 2, next to one another, the angle of their sectioning lines has to be apart from one another, 45 degrees in one direction, 45 in the other direction. If there is a third part that needs to fit in there, the section lines can then be made a little bit larger to show that it's not the same part. Let's look at some examples. In this example, we're having a front view and a top view in first angle orthographic projection. Sectioning line BB is cutting over the hole, and sectioning line AA is cutting straight from the top downwards, which means AA can only be displayed on the left-hand view, while BB can be displayed on the top view. Discussing BB. With BB, we're cutting away the top part there, and then you will see the surface there, then space, and then surface. You can now see that I have drawn these lines solidly to be able to see these surfaces there. If you go straight across, you'll find there's a surface there, and while it's cutting over that solid surface there, go straight across and there's the surface there. We will have lines at 45 degrees in these two surfaces. Because it's the same part, only one part, the section lines will go into the same direction. Let's recap. Cutting over that part there, through the hole, past the hole, cutting over that solid part, coming straight down with it gives you the section there, coming straight down from there gives you the section there, and there you have your hole. Here we have another example. Section line AA gives us a left view shown on the right hand side but actually seen from the left. AA is cutting over there a solid piece of material, through a solid piece of material, going over straight across, you'll find its section. Past the hole, going straight across, you're having empty space there, and then through that length there, that height there, and going straight across with that same height, you'll find it needs to be sectioned there. That is a piece that just shows there the back. Section line BB shows that we have to quarter cut it from the top. So we're cutting through a solid piece of material there. If you go straight down, there is the section, and then this line goes up and zigzag away. So there you can see there's the center. We only have one part that is sectioned. Knowing that this part is symmetrical, we know that if we had a full section there, this would have been sectioned as well. So in tests, you might most likely find that you'll get a section where you have to cut fully through the object, and also to show it in one view and then cut through another section with another section line and show it in another view. Looking at page 87, we can see we have section line AA there. If we had a section line straight through there, we could have shown it on this view. But however, we need another view to compensate for this one. To know that, we need to look at which angle this view is drawn. Looking at the exercise instructions, we can see that exercise A and B is third angle orthographic projection. Thus, we have the top view, we have the front view, and the right view on the side. So this will be the top view, front view, and the right view will be projected here. So you are required to draw an auxiliary view to show this type of section. The direction of the arrow shows which side you are looking at. Normally in third angle it will point away, where you can draw your right view there. On page 88, we're having first angle. Both of these are first angle orthographic projection drawings. This will be the front, that will be the top. This section can only be seen in your left view, which will be next to this drawing there. That will be the front, that will be the left, and this section there will be seen in this drawing here. But however, be careful because this part is chipped away, so that will be the highest point. So this will be taken away, and the highest point needs to be projected over. Everywhere where it cuts through, you need to project it over to show where it's cutting through. Finally, we're having exercise E, which is a very simple exercise. Since you're having section line EE that needs to be shown onto that view, you do not need to draw a new view. So to solve a section view onto an existing view like this, all you do is you skip all the holes. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. 1, 2, although changing in size, 1, 2, 3, 4. So everywhere where it cuts over solid material, that part will be sectioned straight across, and the holes will become solid lines. So this will become solid, solid. Second hole is solid. Third hole becomes solid, and then lastly the fourth one, and then the recess. So there we go. Cutting over these holes, you should not section holes all these holes will just become solid lines as you're cutting straight through these holes. And the next thing is you're cutting over that solid part there that needs to be sectioned. You're cutting over the solid part right to the hole, so that will need to be sectioned in the same direction because it's the same part. Make sure your lines are equal. I'm just lecturing to show you how you do it, okay? And then the rest as well. Please make sure that your section lines is dark, and that's actually what happens. Do not section holes. Holes will become solid lines where the section line cuts over it. Then you just go look at where it cuts over. It cuts over that part that needs to be sectioned. It cuts from there to there. You'll having that will section. It cuts from there to there, and all this will section as it goes right through. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.